Hi, I am Nakul Sharma, part of Indomax Group, and today we are showcasing our product category called Max, which is primarily into cable and wire identification. So we have two verticals. One is Leta Twin, which is into ferrule marking. So we supply machines as well as consumables. And also another category what we are showcasing here is called as CPM. In CPM, whatever you can see over here, there are a lot of labels that you can print in your own facility, right, which is used on panels and multiple automation panels, right. This is Japanese based company which is globally world leader when it comes to marking solution for panel building. And the I see the exhibition has a good participation for multiple different organizations, and we look forward for inviting all the members here. Yeah, our stall number is G11 and 12. Thank you.